To change copied data to go from horizontal to vertical, or vice versa, you can transpose rows or columns instead of having to retype everything. If I wanted to rearrange all of this data horizontally, I would copy it and then go up to Paste Special and click on this icon that stands for Transpose. When you hover on it, you can see what it would look like if you press on it. I'm going to click on it, and there you have it. Over here is the sum of these two cells. I want to apply that filter to all of these cells so each of them would hold the sum of the cells above them. To do that, I would select the cell with the formula and click and drag the tiny square across the cells I would want to apply the same formula to. So I click and drag it all the way. And now all of these cells hold the sum of the cells above them. If you double click on one, you can see the formula. If you have a very long list of data and you want to keep the title there for you to see while you type in more data, you can keep it there using something called Freeze Panes. Select the row or column you want to freeze. Go to View, press on Freeze Panes, and then press Freeze Panes. I'm going to freeze the top row, so all I have to do is press Freeze Top Row. Now if you scroll, you can see that top row will stay exactly where it is. To unfreeze panes, go to Freeze Panes and press on Unfreeze Panes. It will be where Freeze Panes once was. The pane has been unfrozen. With split screen, you can see multiple places of the sheet at the same time. If you select a cell, go up and press Split in the View tab right here. The screen will split into 4 with lines running along the top and left sides of the cell you selected. Pressing Split again will unsplit the sheet. Selecting a column and splitting will split the sheet into 2 horizontally. Like that. The line of separation will run alongside the leftmost border of the column. Selecting a row and splitting will split the sheet into 2 vertically. The line of separation will run alongside the topmost border of the cell you selected. Pressing this triangle over here will select everything, and then pressing on Split will split the sheet into 4 exactly in the middle. Now if I go and scroll in each and every single one, you can see how the sheet has appeared into 4 different sections. You can scroll individually in each one.